Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to change background color on Instagram stories. If you want to upload a story, then you can notice that the background color will be automatically detected by the Instagram app. So if you want to change the color in your Instagram story, then here's the thing that you can do. First of all, we're going to open our Instagram app. Once you open your Instagram app, we'll have to tap on the plus icon that is located on the bottom, and after that tap on story. From here I will take a picture, and here as you can see, after taking my picture, background color is automatically set by Instagram. So now in order to change this, all we'll have to do is tap on the three dots that is located on the top right hand side corner. Here you can see two options that are draw and save. Here you'll have to tap on draw. After that, you can choose any color of your preference. And once you have chosen your color, all you have to do is tap on the background for about 5 seconds and leave it. And just like that, here as you can see, the background color has been changed. But now we have a problem that our photo or video is not showing here. So all you'll have to do is tap on the right option that is located on the top right hand side corner. And after that, here on the top right hand side corner, you can see various options. There is a text icon, a stickers icon, and so on. Here you'll have to tap on the second option, that is sticker icon. After that, here you can see various options. You'll have to scroll down, and here you can see option add your photos in an icon. Tap on that, and once you have tapped on it, select the picture that you want to put on your story. Then you can select or resize your picture, and if you prefer, you can also put in music. For now, I will not be getting into that. And you can tap on your story, and just like that, here as you can see, your story has been posted and you have successfully changed the background color on your Instagram stories. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.